The wait for DJI's ultimate consumer drone is over. Leaked details from web shops have revealed the full spec sheet for the Mavic 4 Pro, with an official launch set for May 13th, as confirmed by Jasper Ellens via Drone XL. Promotional images are expected to drop on May 6th. Let's dive into what makes the Mavic 4 Pro a game changer compared to the Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro boasts 3 upgraded lenses, headlined by a next-gen wide-angle camera with a 4x3 CMOS sensor. It shoots stunning 6K video at 60 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS, surpassing the Mavic 3 Pro's 5.1K at 50 FPS. With a 16-stop dynamic range, it's built for cinematic brilliance, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Low-light photography soars with a 100-megapixel sensor, up from 20 megapixel, making it a top pick for landscape shots. The telephoto and HDR lenses feature larger 1x1.3-inch and 1x1.5-inch CMOS sensors, f2.8 apertures, dual native ISO, and subject tracking focus. Both support 4K HDR at 60 FPS and D-Log for consistent pro-grade color accuracy. A redesigned gimbal with 360-degree horizontal rotation offers unmatched flexibility for dynamic shots. Video transmission gets a major boost with OcuSync Plus, delivering 10-bit HDR images up to 30 kilometers, double the Mavic 3 Pro's 15 kilometers range, with fewer disruptions in urban areas. Obstacle avoidance is next level thanks to 6 low-light fisheye sensors, 0.1 lux sensitivity, dual processors, and front-facing LiDAR for precise detection and collision prevention, even in near darkness. The Mavic 4 Pro offers a 51-minute flight time, up from 40 minutes, with a top speed of 90 km per hour and a 41 km range, ensuring longer, faster adventures. With cutting-edge tech, unrivaled camera quality, and pro-level performance, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to redefine aerial cinematography. It's the ultimate tool for creators who demand the best. Will you grab the Mavic 4 Pro or opt for the budget-friendly Air 3S? The choice is yours.